Has there been any situations wherein your children expressed their negative emotions and you stopped them? Has there been any situation wherein you asked your kids not to express their emotional outbursts or negative emotions? Then this video is for you all. Emotions are something which are felt by everybody, even kids. So think about it, right? When we feel angry, when we feel frustrated, what exactly do? We shout, we yell, we throw things out somewhere. I mean, if in case if the frustration is very huge and enormous, we take deep breaths. We do different stuff to get that reaction out of our system, right? We do everything possible to feel good. And when we can feel those negative emotions, what makes us think that our kids won't feel that emotions? Everybody at the end of the day are human beings. Just because of their size and age, we expect them to be, robots without expressing their anger, without expressing their negative emotions. Why? Why shouldn't kids express their negative emotions? When we can do that, kids also have to do it, and that's the phenomenon of feeling good, making ourselves feel better by throwing out those frustrations outwards. If we don't do it, if the kids don't do it, and if they start suffocating inside, suffering inside, then that's a completely different other issue. It leads to many other complications. But what I'm trying to say is, as parents, we need to be really feeling happy and glad that our kids are trying to throw their emotions out and getting lighter instead of keeping all the things inside and getting heavier and becoming denser, because that is a different problem altogether, right? Now, how do we handle such situations? We need to understand that kids are there to throw tantrums. They have their own ways of getting things done, right? And that is what makes them kids, and that's what makes us adults, right? So what we need to understand is their maturity level is different than ours. Now, if we try and react whenever they try and react, then there is no kind of difference between them and us. They are also reacting and we are also reacting. So that leaves no difference. That leaves no difference between them and as well as us. So we need to understand that our level of consciousness is higher than them. And so instead of reacting to the situation, we need to respond to the situation. And that's what gives us an upper edge. Now, I understand that there are many situations wherein children really try and, push our buttons in the wrong way. But, that's where maturity and patience comes into picture, right? So please think about it and see how you guys can handle your kids better. Always focus on responding instead of reacting. I hope you liked the video, and in case if you liked the video, please feel free to share this video with many more such parents who would love to improve their parenting techniques and also understand their child's psychology better. And also, please do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel for more such videos on parenting. Thank you so much. Cheers, stay safe, and bye-bye.